neta, slept. Netta, needed. Neta is the past tense of the verb 寝る which means to sleep. Netta is the past tense of the verb 寝る which means to need. So we can say よく寝た or よく寝た slept well. よく寝た or よく寝た needed well. よく寝た
寝る means literally to need, but we don't usually use this verb for needing though. We use こねる instead of 寝る。パンをこねる to knead dough. パンをこねた kneaded dough. We use the verb 練る for kneading あんこ、練り飴、納豆 and so on, but I don't think you are familiar with them. So I'll introduce some important expressions with the verb 練る. They are a bit advanced, but they are used in daily conversations. 計画を練る to consider a plan. 計画 means plans. You can use this expression just as to make a plan. 練る adds the meaning of consideration in this case. 計画を練る to consider a plan. 計画を練った considered a plan. 戦略を練る to deepen the strategies. 戦略 means strategies. You can use this expression as to strategize. 練る adds the meaning of consideration in this case. 戦略を練る to deepen the strategies. 戦略を練った deepened the strategies. 構想を練る to form a mental image. 構想 means concept. You can use this expression as to make a plot to formulate a concept. 練る adds the meaning of consideration in this case. 構想を練る to form a mental image. 構想を練った formed a mental image. 文章を練る to polish one's writing. 文章 means sentences, writing, compositions. You can use this expression as to make sentences elaborately. 練る adds the meaning of consideration in this case. 文章を練る to polish one's writing. 文章を練った polished one's writing. If you find other usages of 練る, feel free to drop them in a comment below.
Don't worry about it too much. This is just an exercise for the Japanese speech accent. Good luck with your studies. 頑張ってください。